Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bamboo HR. My name is Beth Fleck, and I'm going to walk you through Bamboo, all its features and benefits. First of all, two gentlemen started Bamboo HR they had a conversation over a ping pong tournament, and they decided 8 years later to open up HR Bamboo. So it is for small businesses and medium businesses. And their company culture is to improve employees, conversation and experiences, be open, and improve quality of life for employees and employers. So some of the companies that they have worked with is Moms Incorporated. It's a month-to-month service, so you're not under a contract to have Bamboo HR. I am not familiar with Bamboo HR before this. I'd never heard of them, so I actually went in and played around with it. So you can see my name, first of all, on the home page, and here's my picture. And if I open up my picture, I just edited my picture. So that's one of the features that most HR systems have. I like this one because you can personalize it. I added the Brunel logo at the top because I work for Brunel. And so when you go to scroll down to the info, you can see that I have 105 hours vacation, sick hours or 24 hours in bereavement. I like this feature to the right. You can move over and see COVID-related absences. This one is really good for if you have employees that are at home. You can add their hours, delete their hours, add PTO for any of your employees using this feature, and also timeshare and time record. If you have employees that have to clock in or clock out, you can do this feature as well. So going back to the vacation, also to the left is the hire date. I put my hire date as February 10th, 2023. If you scroll down, you can see that I have to the left, I have 6 direct reports that report to me. So if I clicked on one of those names, Maya comes up and you can see her name. And then you can see her time off, her vacation. She has -3 hours available, and her sick and her bereavement as well. And if you scroll down, you can also see your upcoming time off is January 29th through the 30th, February 14th through the 15th, March 2nd through the 3rd. And there's no bereavement history for her. So scrolling back up, if I go back to my homepage, it takes me right back. What's happening at Brunel? I like this feature. Charlotte's made a request, a compensation request for Amy Granger. So I can go to the inbox and approve that. I have 10 onboarding tasks. I have 4 documents waiting for my signature using DocuSign. I can review and sign that. I also have 8 hours of sick. I can approve that request, which I just did. Daniel Vance has provided feedback a month ago, so I need to view the feedback. I can do that. So let's start at the very top. If I scroll back up to the very top of my screen, I can see that my information is here. I have the people that are working for me, all my employees. These are my employees. Hiring. What I really love about this, I can post a job opening and get this to connect to Indeed or Monster.com or any of the internet talent pools. So these are the candidates. These are the job openings that I put in: financial analyst and also marketing manager and software engineer. So you can view your candidates. What I really like about this feature is you can see what the candidates are, you can see their talent pools, and you can see your job openings. Also, in addition to that, we have reports, standard reports. You can customize reports and create new reports. Also, payroll, which is very important with HR. They have a video to help employees, so it really feels customized and personal. So back to the HR, I'm going to go into Charlotte and made a request for compensation. So I'm going to click on her, and it's awaiting my approval. So I'm going to approve this. So you can see that it's custom approval approved. So I did that approval on her. Also, what's really nice about this feature is they have a centralized information that you can, it eliminates paperwork for you as the employee or the employer. And they've received, in 2018, HR Bamboo received an award for their best product for this centralized system. It also does time tracking. That's an additional cost if you are a company or corporation or organization looking for that. What I really love about this is they're also an era podcast. HR, they provide a lot of videos so employers can go in and see one-on-one what's going on. Some of the features, if I take you back to the home page, you can see that DocuSign, I have 4 documents waiting, so I can go to review and sign those documents. And I have an I-9, so I can finish signing that. And it's taking me to that I-9. So the documents are very easy. So I'm going to save and finish later, easy to maneuver. Also, employment status, I can see that Daniel Vance is requesting employment status change for Karen Patey. I can go in right away and approve that, which I just did. So I'm finding that it's very user-friendly, it's very fast. And also the survey, you can send surveys from you can put the surveys into this HR Bamboo, and then your employees can receive a survey and then complete the survey. And they can tell they can check off if they like working for Brunel, they can check off opportunities that they see for improvement. So there's a lot that you can do in functions. The final thing I want to share is my love is onboarding. What's really nice is that you can do onboarding. So in the home page, going back to my home page, I can go into onboarding tasks right here. I have 10 onboarding tasks. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see I've created a lunch with an employee. I have created that, so I can go over to that, and I'm going to take my new hire to lunch on the first day of work, and I put a 25 limit on that. So I completed that, so my task is completed. So it's really very user-friendly, and you can make time off requests. I hope this is helpful. And again, this is Bamboo HR, and their philosophy is start bambooing. Thank you for your time.